Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about adjective ending. Adjective ending, is very important topic for all the students who are learning German. Whether you are in A2 level or B1 level, this is very important topic. So you must learn this adjective ending very well. Before that, I would like to tell you that there are three articles, der, die, das, but adjective ending we use always with a noun. If there is a noun, we use adjective ending. You can say a noun must be followed by an adjective. It expresses the quality of a noun. Like it is a quality of a noun. I say the table is red. Okay. But if I say a red table, then there is a difference. The Wohnung is old. Apartment is old. It is okay. But if I say the old Wohnung, so there is a difference. What is the difference? We'll see here. I write the table is red. So der Tisch ist rot. This is okay. If there is a blank, we write cross. Because rot is an adjective and there is no noun. There must be a noun after adjective. Means there is adjective and after that there is a noun. Only then it makes sense. If adjective is written at the last, you will put cross, no ending. Similarly, next sentence, like if I say the red table, so there road, adjective ending space and then dish. Now it makes sense. You can see the difference. Here after road there is a noun table. Okay. So what is the ending? I will tell you this thing. So this is called adjective ending. After adjective there is a noun. Always. This will we learn. Now we'll see some examples. Like the Wohnung is alt. The Wohnung apartment is old. And my brother is net. My brother is nice. So this is with no ending. You can say here, this is with no ending, okay? Because nice is written at the end. The Wohnung is alt, the apartment is old, okay? There is no noun. But with ending, ich habe die alte Wohnung after adjective, this is the noun, okay? And I have a nice brother. So after nice, there is a noun brother. So it will take ending. I mean to say there is an adjective and after that immediately noun. This is called adjective. Now we have different cases in adjective ending. Okay, you can say here. You can see. First we'll see three-word formula. I myself called it three-word formula. I don't know what other people say. And there are three cases: nominative case. Okay. Then we have accusative and dative. First we'll see nominative case adjective ending. Okay. With nominative there are definite articles, bestimmter, and then unbestimmter, indefinite article. You can learn the table or I will say you understand the concept. With nominative case, definite article. We have three articles, der, die or das, okay? Der, die and das, okay? These are three articles. With all these three articles, if you have these three and there is adjective and then there is a noun, suppose any noun I write here. Just I write the word noun. So adjective ending in this case is always E ending. Adjective ending is E. This I call three-word formula. This is called three-word formula because you have der, die, das. Anyone, either der or die or you can say das. And then noun. This is called three-word formula. 1, 2, and 3. In this case, adjective takes E ending. Okay, second word is adjective takes E ending. There is an example. Das warme Wetter. Das is article, warm is adjective, and Wetter is noun. So ending is E. Okay, E ending, warmer. Similarly, die neue, der große. So if we have these three words together in a sentence in this form, article should be but der, die or das. I am talking about only these three articles. Okay, these articles should be there. Der, die, and das. Only then it will be applicable. Without that, it will not be applicable. If you have these three articles, only then it makes sense and you can do this. If you don't have this article, then it will not make sense. So three-word formula apply only with these three articles. Okay, der, die, and das. Remember this. Okay, it applies only with these three articles: der, die, and das. Without article, it will not make sense. Similarly, you can see plural form Decline Kinder. So declinen Kinder. Declinen Kinder. Okay. Children is plural. So declinen Kinder. This is declinen Kinder because the plural ending is en. This is different. With plural case ending is en. Okay. Remember, adjective ending is en with plural. Only with plural case. So this you need to take care. Okay. What is the adjective ending with? The noun. Suitable noun. According to noun, you have to change the ending. Just a second. Alright, so it depends upon the noun. Then we have, you can say, das alte Haus. So again, singular, e ending. Then their white t-shirt, the white t-shirt, the white table, e. If it's plural, Blätter means pages or leaves. The green pages. So grünen, e ending. So this I call 3-word formula, except plural case. Okay, in plural case, the article of plural is always d. In this case, the ending is en. So this is called 3-word formula. In nominative case, adjective ending. We have done this. So I hope you find it interesting. It's a short video, just an introduction video for adjective ending, part 1. I will continue with part 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's see how many parts are required. So this is the first video, adjective ending, nominative case, definite article, 3-word formula. Thanks for watching. Keep learning German with me. Bye bye. Take care.